Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow photo tagging from people you follow on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. This feature lets you control who can tag you in photos, ensuring a more personalized experience. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots or similar. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the expanded menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, click on Your Account to access additional options. Inside the Your Account section, locate and click on Account Information. This is where you'll find settings related to privacy and security. Now, look for an option called Protected Posts and click on it. Within this section, select Photo Tagging. This is where you can adjust who can tag you in photos. To enable photo tagging, toggle the setting to turn it on. Then, choose the option that says Only people you follow can tag you. This ensures that only trusted accounts within your network can tag you in photos. Finally, make sure to save your changes before exiting. And that's it. You've successfully customized your photo tagging settings on X to allow only people you follow to tag you. Thanks for tuning in. By following these steps, you've taken control of your privacy while enhancing your interactions on X. Enjoy a more tailored social media experience.